My name is Marco Ventura, and I'm the Chief Operating Officer of T1 Visions. T1 Visions is a software and integration company with a focus on interactive technology for social markets that we're most heavily involved in right now are the restaurant industry. That's where we got started. Since then, we've also done a lot of work in education. We've done some corporate applications, some
We've chosen an unorthodox approach. We actually built a restaurant called T1 Tapas, and we put in all of our tables and interactive technology in the restaurant, and we did so in December of 2008. And the restaurant really, for us, was the ultimate test lab. It allowed us to really get instant feedback from customers about what worked, what didn't work. We've since had hundreds of software updates and really gotten the interface. This is our top level screen. You can see this is for a restaurant application. You can see Eat, Drink, Connect. You can also, if there were two people sitting at the table, we can easily split the screen into, we can also split around. So one person could be here, another person could be over there. Could just as easily put it in four-person mode as well. And so now four unique screens. Very simply here, you're able to order off of an entire restaurant menu. You can peruse an entire menu of the restaurant, take a look at all the different items you want. You can order directly from this screen as well. Maybe while you're waiting for your food, you want to take a look at some music videos, something like that. Very simply, we can go ahead and we can just launch a music video here right from the table. And here, I could also, with my personal device here, I could also connect my iPhone or any sort of an MP3 player if I wanted to. It also has the ability, if I have a flash drive with photos, we can all share all that content right here on the table. So all these photos could be put on, from my own device if I wanted to. And so you have, all these different photos, and I can spin around. I can zoom in on them. I can share them with other people for collaborative learning for different higher education applications, and you can see Collaborate About. So we can put all sorts of information about the university, university events. We can also have student life, so maybe some content about the university, to look at presentations. And this is something that could be useful for students that are maybe they're working on a product, or on a project together. Just a whiteboard, so people can just take notes, and any of that information you can display that on the screen very easily. So digital whiteboard, real simple thing that we've got going on here as well. And another interesting thing here is we have an entire web browser. Websites, like you can just put in the links to different URLs, information about it. If you want to see maybe some very simple wayfinding, map of the campus. Here is that. Not only can you do all the same types of things but there's a Connect mobile devices that allows you to very seamlessly interface with either a VGA. Of course, if you have your laptop, you could very easily connect. It's an ordering platform. It's a multimedia. It's an entertainment platform. Potentially an advertising platform. We're doing a lot of different things, and we're really. Obviously, it was T1 Tapas. That's where we got to start, and we installed a lot of our connection tables and some of our digital signage. Since then, we also did a restaurant called Makoto's in Florida, the Charlotte Convention Center, the NASCAR Hall of Fame, Harper's Restaurant for those of you familiar with Charlotte in the South Park area. Very recently, we did an installation called Cowfish. It's a restaurant that is specialized in sushi and burgers, which are an interesting combination, but we embedded right into their bar top in the sushi bar area some interactive screens that allow guests to build their own sushi, build their own entertainment center actually called Sparians, where their focus is bowling and entertainment. And we did a great installation there where we did a series of interactive touchscreens and booths, seating. And again, guests can order their food and beverage, but they can also, there's all sorts of interactive content. It works extremely well in sort of a venue that was a strong focus on entertainment. A sports bar in Jamaica. It's one of our first international projects. It's being partially funded by Usain Bolt, the Olympic gold medalist and national hero in Jamaica. And he's opening up a new sports bar called Tracks and Records. And all of our technology is, we're doing a major installation there. In terms of our relationship with Best Buy, obviously we love working with you guys, and it's very critical for a startup company such as T1 to have a really strong group of partners, and Best Buy is definitely one of those.
we have a very strong grasp on where we want our technology to go, and it's really important for us to be really closely aligned with a technology partner such as Best Buy, and understanding not just on a very simple basis, understanding where our products are, when they're going to be shipped, and keeping close, a close handle on that. But also, as we grow as a company, what's really going to become important to us as our installation base grows, helping us make better use of your organization, and helping us with things such as installations, ongoing maintenance for all of our customers as we grow as a company. Always was looking for a way to use technology to ultimately bring people together. Increasingly, we have more and more devices, and it's really interesting because I think that we're seeing a lot of these devices that are really accessing some common content that you have. So maybe a document that you created on your laptop, you can now view it on your iPhone, or you can now use other. We provide another platform, literally and figuratively, for sharing some of that information. And we're really excited about the future of using our technology to connect people in all sorts of different ways. And I think that we're also seeing that. I think as we look to the future, what we're really excited about are some of the prospects that we have in other vertical markets. Education is a great example. I think that the campus of the future, as we see it, will be very different from what we see today, and we're going to